welcome back to our special edition of Colorado's Best at Sharpest Rides, and we're talking about how everyone is family here. Can we give a group hug here? Oh, we're all family. Woohoo! These guys are great. I've been talking to them all afternoon. I think I'm family. I'm going to be invited over for Christmas, right, Brandon?
That's the plan.
All right, Brandon, how many years have you been here? You're actually related to many people.
I am.
Yes.
My dad's the general manager.
Yeah.
My uncle's the owner.
Nice.
My cousin is the finance director.
Holy cow, I didn't know it went that deep.
And just maybe 3-4 years ago, my great-grandma just retired, but she was our title clerk.
Are you serious?
I swear.
Oh my goodness. Okay, and then we've got Roger over here. How long you been here?
I've been here about 6 years already, and I'm the head of the sales managers.
You guys like brothers here?
Yeah, we work every day. We're together.
Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay, give me your name and how long you've been here.
My name is Mario, and I've been here for 5 years.
Okay.
I'm DJ. I've been here for 4 years.
Yeah. So you guys, we want to get the message out that it's not only that you consider yourselves family, but everybody who comes on the lot, right?
Definitely. Everybody that comes in the lot gets treated like family, from the person that greets you all the way to the person that when you leave the lot and shakes your hand and says thank you, you feel like you're at home.
That's so great. And, talk to me about repeat customers. People keep coming back.
Of course, yeah. I mean, we have more than 70% of our business that just keeps coming back to us. And that's the way we like to do business,
Yeah. And if anyone is in doubt about how great this place is, online reviews really tell it all. I mean, we were looking at some of them, just dozens and dozens.
Yeah, so I would say most of our reviews is probably on Google, Facebook, DealerRater, Cars.com. I think there's like 2,500 reviews on Google, which is pretty good for a small dealer. But the big,
or not so small.
Exactly, and it's just about the customer sharing their experience, whether good or bad. So
no, you guys do a really good job. I want to bring this into the conversation because we were talking about the fact that so many people here in Colorado are coming in from different parts of the world. They speak different languages. ¿Quién habla español?
Yo hablo español.
Ah, hablas con los clientes en español? Okay, so we're talking about how he speaks to the clients in Spanish. Do you use that a lot?
I do, yes. So I have like maybe 60% of my clients who are Spanish speakers. So if you want to come visit me and
he'll talk to you in Spanish.
Prefer Spanish, then yep.
You can do it. And how many languages do you speak?
I speak close to 6-4 fluently for sure.
Give me the languages.
Russian, English, Hebrew, Spanish, a little bit of French. I do help out a lot with the customers as well because we always want to make sure that everybody has enough time to help every customer that comes in. We are a volume store. Yeah. Brandon and Roger do a great job at the
well,
let me get the mic. Yeah.
Well, 40% of our business is Hispanics. Yeah. So a big portion of our sales team is Spanish, and that way the customer feels a little bit like you said, we're family. So we got to make them feel welcome also in their language, and we do a great job at that also.
Okay. Do you use the Hebrew?
I've done it quite a few times.
Have you?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, that's surprising. That's great. All right, let's talk about community involvement because you're all family and you all give back to the community.
Okay, so it's important to give back. That's 100%. One of the things we like to do, because of our finance director, Daryl Morgan, yay him, is Judy's House. That's a big thing we like to do every year. If you don't know what that is, that's for kids who've lost their parents. So that's a big thing we do every year near Christmas. Another thing we like to do is give back to our schools, high schools, Columbine, that's where I went, go Rebels, Little League, soccer, Bear Creek, Salvation Army, and don't forget the backpacks for kids. That was one of the big things we just did as well.
Well, yeah, your dad was in the station with all of your brothers and sisters just talking about how you raised so much money for the backpacks for kids just recently.
Yeah, I want to say that was, 2 weeks ago now?
Yes.
So that was big. Like we said, I mean, we're small, family-owned business, born and raised here in Denver, Colorado, so you've got to give back to your city.
No, you guys are great. All right, family-owned, speak I don't know how many languages. They're so great and give back to the community. All right, one last hug. We got to all get together. Thank you so much for helping me with this interview today. The Sharpest Rides. We'll be right back, guys.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
And coming up on this special edition of Colorado's Best on Fox, where the Sharpest Rides shops for affordable cars of the highest quality so they can pass the savings to you.
TheSharpestRides.com lets you shop for your next car anytime, anywhere. We have the largest selection of cars and trucks for that family life. TheSharpestRides.com, because your family car can also be your dream car.